water supply project, which is making good progress, which will serve for the 3,052 beneficiaries. Although so far we have already connected 650 homes to piped water for free, as we promised. And I want to see these developments to their completion because it is what the people of Chicago deserve. But my request to the 271,000 registered voters there is that even though you will hear other parties saying that I have done nothing in your district and that you should go back, therefore, backwards, remember that the reason I'm here is to always take your development forward. State of development in Cholo. Madam Speaker, I believe it is safe to say that nowhere is the false claim that I have done nothing for Malawians repeated by dishonest politicians than in Cholo. So today, I thank the Lord for the opportunity to set that record straight. Thankfully, Madam Speaker, none of those dishonest politicians are here today. For present here are only such honest representatives of Cholo District as Honorables Chipungu, Mchacha, Naeja, Malunga Pini, Sandram Scott, Poverty White, not to be confused with white poverty, and my good friend, Honorable Navicha. All of whom I trust to convey this report to the good people of Cholo without distortions. In food security development, Madam, we have responded to the extensive destruction of crops and vast farmlands in Cholo by disbursing 238.8 million kwacha in input loans. Under Agicom 2, we have invested 411 million kwacha in farming equipment like tractors, trucks, feed processing machines, warehousing, milk bulking facilities, and dairy cows. Under AIP, we have provided subsidies to 7,186 beneficiaries. We have spent 3.7 billion kwacha on relief maize, which my office has distributed to over 7,500 households. We have rehabilitated the silos. We have rehabilitated the silos in Luchenza to ensure that no food is lost through poor storage. We have completed preparations for the rehabilitation of 100 hectares of land at Mpuka irrigation scheme. For Cholo's economic development, we have disbursed 67.8 million kwacha NIF cash loans for business. We are making Cholo a safe place for business by constructing 100 houses for security agencies there. We have connected 9,766 homes in Cholo to electricity through MERIT, MEAP, and SHS initiatives. We have connected 550 homes to electricity for free. We have rescued hundreds of laborers in the tea estates from years of exploitation and abuse, while supporting the tea farms to meet international standards for compliance with the law in order to resume operations that are essential for Malawi's export revenue. For human capital and for structural development, We have constructed 12 health posts at Tukuta, Namatuni, Towera, Lomola, Kate, Kadombere, Sabwe, Chilengo, Zimbiri, Kwetemure, Amalika, and Chitembe. We have also constructed 2 new secondary schools, 19 new secondary school classrooms, and 7 primary school classrooms. We have almost completed the 77-kilometer Cholo Bangula Road. So, no matter what anyone tells the people of Cholo about me, I know they're wise enough to recognize the truth. And the truth is that even though the 253,000 of you who are registered voters there will be told by other parties that this is the year to go backwards, I ask you to remember that the reason I'm here is to continue taking your development forward. State of development in Mulanje. Similarly, Madam Speaker, here's what we have delivered in food security development for the good people of Mulanje, who are represented in this House by an army of honorables in the names of Chida, Kilekwa, Matanda, Musowa, Tenda, Samson Pili, Tambala, Nankuma, and Chaponda, the honorable leader of opposition himself. In the 4 years I became president, we have disbursed 300 million kwacha in loans for fertilizers. We have spent 519 million kwacha on farming equipment to increase production and Agicom 2. We have provided AIP subsidies to 4,289 farming households. We have spent 7.4 billion kwacha on relief maize, which my office is distributed to 69,497 households, in making Mulanje a secure place for business by constructing 26 security houses that are in progress. In human capital and infrastructure development, we have completed the construction of 3 health posts at Sukayawe, rehabilitation of the laboratory at Mulanje DHO. We have invested in the youth of Mulanje by constructing 9 new secondary schools, 46 new secondary school classrooms, and 21 new primary school classrooms, and recruiting 449 new teachers. We have connected 11,155 homes to electricity through the World Bank-supported MARIP, HS, and MEAP initiatives, and have made 650 free water connections. We have completed works on the Zomba Jali-Stakari Road. We have also almost done with the structural works on Rural Bridge, and a new contractor will soon be on the site of Tuchira Bridge to finish the works there. Madam Speaker, the people of Mulanje deserve to have the developers Bogosi, Million, Mpanga, Namachekitapini, and Mwina, and to whom we have delivered the following in the past 4 years. We have provided AIP subsidies to 7,046 beneficiaries. We have disbursed 427.2 million NIF loans for fertilizer. We have spent 4.7 billion on food, which my office has distributed to 44,696 households. We have done social cash transfers to 11,099 households. We have done climate smart cash support to another 22,542 beneficiaries. We have done cash transfers for those affected by Cyclone Freddy, reaching 49,678 beneficiaries. We have also provided El Nino lean season support to another 10,299 beneficiaries. And to stimulate economic activity for economic development, we disbursed a total of 2.3 billion kwacha in NIF loans to 2,851 beneficiaries, plus additional financing to another 1,020 SMEs for scaling up their business operations. We have secured a mining development agreement with Lancaster Exploration Limited, a subsidiary of Mkango Resources Limited, for the Songwe Hills rare earth elements mining project in the district. And we are being vigilant to ensure that the people of Phalombe are the first beneficiaries of this national treasure. Under Merit 9, we have connected 67 households to electricity. We have also delivered 66 houses to Cyclone Freddy victims. We have set up a new border post at Likangala to enhance security and revenue collection. We have completed the construction of 29 security staff houses to make Phalombe safe for business. And to advance Phalombe's human capital, we have built 4 schools, added 39 new classrooms, and recruited 210 teachers on permanent basis. And we have fully operationalized the John Chilembe Hospital. And we have delivered free water connections to 450 households. We have been able to do all of this because the people of Phalombe gave me the gift of their patience and endurance, and for that I must thank them. Now, that we have delivered all of these things in a season of sacrifice and pain, I ask the 170,000 registered voters in Phalombe not to be swayed by anyone who offers to take them backwards, because I can assure them that if they want a president who will take their development forward, here I am. State of development in Zomba. Madam Speaker, the good people of Zomba are represented in this House by Honorable Zawali, Suswe Banda, Bongwe, Boroman, Gadama, Kwepeta, Million, Naliwa, Tijere Pili, and Poya. And the endurance of the people of Zomba of the season of painful sacrifices we have passed through has enabled us to deliver the following milestones in food security development. We have invested 687 million kwacha in farm equipment, like for better yields under Agicom 2. We have disbursed 1 billion kwacha in NIF farm input loans. We have reached 25,000 farmers with AIP subsidies. We have rehabilitated 5 irrigation schemes to improve yields for 2,500 farming households. We have cultivated 2,500 hectares at Domas Mega Farm, which will feed many people. We have spent 4 billion kwacha on buying relief maize for hungry households, which my office has distributed to 75,344 households. We have adjudicated cases involving 58,394 parcels of land, which are critical for household food production. In human capital and infrastructure development, We have constructed 4 police units and 13 units of MDF houses, with another 397 under construction. We are almost done with the construction of Zomba Central Hospital's workshop to give vocational skills to inmates. We have completed the expansion of Domas College of Education with support from the Japanese government, and we have recruited new 382 primary school teachers. We have constructed 6 community day secondary schools and completed 36 secondary school classrooms and 23 primary school classrooms. We have completed construction works for Nambande, Chinguma, and Gwaza health posts funded by GIZ, Canada Fund, and CDF, respectively. While construction work is ongoing for the health posts of Maulana and Nampula. We have completed 1,396 free water connections. We have completed 90% of construction works for Zomba Stadium Phase 2. We have upgraded 23 kilometers of Zomba City roads, including Namiwawa road dualization. We have completed construction of Zomba Jadi Phalombe Dakari Road. We have connected 13,705 houses to electricity under MAP and SHS. We have completed construction of 6 new secondary schools. When I think of Zomba, we have been able to do there for the people. It gives me hope of seeing Zomba become a major city again in the next 10 years. For it has so many advantages that we must put to good use. But I want to implore the 289,000 registered voters in the district not to fall into the temptation of following parties that promise to take them backwards. Because the reason I'm here is to take that development forward. The state of development in Chiradzuru. In food security development, we are supporting 26,413 food insecure households with ongoing food relief. We have provided agricultural inputs to 4,030 beneficiaries through AIP. We have provided social cash transfers to 9,902 families and climate smart cash transfers to another 14,117 families, plus an addition of 5,686 families with cash transfers for post-Cyclone Freddy response. We have constructed 52 houses for families affected by Cyclone Freddy. In economic development, we have disbursed 1.7 billion kwacha to 906 farmers for agricultural input loans. We have disbursed 1.6 billion kwacha in NIF loans for new businesses. We have secured $33 million in funds for cash transfers to Chiradzuru from our partner Give Directly. In human capital and infrastructure development, we have constructed 5 health posts, including Chimarira, Ngomba, Bunda, and Malaya. We have recruited and deployed 220 health workers across the district. We have granted university students to 956 students loan from Chiradzuru. We have recruited and deployed 110 new teachers. We have constructed ICT labs at Chigodi CDSS and Bloomberg CDSS. We are constructing 44 classroom blocks across 26 schools under the MERIP initiative. We have built 4 community day secondary schools under the SEED project and expanded 2 community day secondary schools under the ECOS project at Nguludi and Maravi. Through CDF resources amounting to $1 billion for the district, we have constructed houses for 5 traditional leaders, Likoswe, Chema, Chitera, Maoni, and Bunga. We have maintained 167 kilometers of local roads and constructed 47 bridges in Chilo. We have connected electricity to 87 households under merit and 3,156 households through solar power. And just 2 weeks ago, we honored our promise to the Providence Industrial Mission by supplying an ambulance services for the services of their hospital. State of development in Mwanza. Madam Speaker, the good people of Mwanza sent a son and a daughter to this house to represent them. And they are Honorables Cholo and Dausi. And it is my honor to present them with an account of what we have delivered to their constituents in the past 4 years as follows. We have disbursed 157.3 million kwacha of NIF input loans. We have given AIP subsidies to 15,000 farmers. We have rehabilitated 3 irrigation schemes, provided water to 1,500 farming households, and cultivated 2,000 hectares at Chidia Mega Farm. We have completed and operationalized the one-stop border post, reducing customs clearance time by 70%. We have invested 143.8 million in farm equipment supported by World Bank through ACCOM 2. We have disbursed 53.7 million in NIF cash loans for businesses. We have employed 500 people in graphite extraction. We have distributed relief maize to 13,950 households worth 1.4 billion kwacha. We have fully refurbished Mwanza Magistrate Court, 2 police units, and 10 police houses. We have completed Galata and Kalanga health posts, and we have upgraded Tambani Health Center to a rural hospital, while another 3 new health centers have been completed. We have completed 2 secondary schools. We are completing works for Mwanza Stadium to open it for the youth in 2 months. We have connected